Okay, here is the next video. There's been some improvements here and some additions, as you can see, making tiny steps, but that's okay. That's how this type of thing works on this type of product. It's tiny steps. What I've been able to do, and this is the first time I've been able to do this, is I have drop off right here, which I will show in a moment. I have re-entering right here, and for the first time my height, my exit height is actually higher than my entry height, and that's a significant improvement. It works pretty much the same way as before, in such that the ball will enter here eventually. It rolls around, enters into the SMOT arrangement, drops down into the scoop, comes back up again. Now this does two things. It raises it up. It also, because of the length of the scoop, it pushes the ball away from the magnetic attraction of these magnets. Without the scoop, the ball can drop down and just kind of hang right there. So the scoop does two things. It's the distance. So it enters the scoop, moves down the U channel, and will exit it here. This distance is, I don't know if you can be able to see it terribly well with here, is 3 3/4 inches. 3 3/4 inches. I don't know if it's going to show it or not. This distance, the entry distance, is 3 5/8. Now that's pretty significant in such that the exit is 1/8 of an inch higher than the entrance. So here's what's going on. I'm going to go ahead, I guess, run it this way, and I'll just move the camera around so you can see what's happening. There we go. So I've solved the problem of the height. We'll do that again and move the camera around. So one more time, let's see if I can do it from this angle. Oh, these little anomalies. Let's try it again. Okay. Now, what I need to do is to continue to extend this out, because of course the immediate problem is, how do I loop the ball around here? So what I'm going to do is, I have over 400 more of these magnets, ceramic magnets. I bought over 500 of them. I probably have 100 on here right now, so I have like 400 more of these. I'm simply going to just gang this up and just go for brute strength of extending this out even farther, because since it says an angle, the farther I extend it, the higher the elevation is. And I'm going to try to get it to a point where it will drop off, and I'll be high enough elevation where I'll be able to loop it around, and it'll just go back down just due to gravity. That's not a problem at all. So the really important thing is that I've been able to achieve a exit which is 1/8 of an inch higher than the entrance. One more time. And there you go. I will keep you advised as things continue. I do believe I can get this to self-loop. It's going to take a little while, and the successes are coming in little tiny steps, but that's okay. And as always, I certainly appreciate you looking at my video. Thank you.